Yeah, yeah. I'm so sorry for the pain that I cause. Can't retract these claws. Once they're out, you can't stop me. I'm destructive and cocky till I fall like a jockey. Off my high horse and back to nothing. Got these scars all from me trusting, and they bleed. Can't stop the flooding. When I open them back up, I know it's disgusting. Trust me, and I work every day just to hear them say that it's not enough, that I'm not enough. I should just give up. Half empty cup in my mind up. Thoughts hold me down. Keep fighting, drown. Screaming now so loud. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? No response to drought. From a silent mouth, the harsh sound of doubt.
That sound, soft yet loud. I just feel like I've been running out of time, of time, of time.